In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on price rules in QuickBooks Online. Price rules are a powerful feature that allows you to customize pricing for specific customers, products, or services. Whether you're running a seasonal promotion, offering special discounts, or creating tiered pricing for your clients. Enabling price rules makes it easy to manage these adjustments directly within QuickBooks Online. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to activate this feature and start using it to streamline your pricing strategy. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's get started first. Make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account and double-check that you're in the correct company file. This is important because the settings you change will only apply to the company file you're currently working in. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. There, you'll see the gear icon. Go ahead and click it. This will open up a menu filled with options for managing your account and settings. From that menu, select the option labeled Accounts and Settings. This will take you to the page where you can customize various areas of your QuickBooks Online experience. Now in the Accounts and Settings page, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of tabs. Find the one labeled Sales and click on it. This is where we'll be making the necessary changes to enable price rules. Within the Sales tab, scroll down until you find the section called Products and Services. This section contains the settings we need to update. Once you locate it, you'll see an Edit button in this section. Click on that button to proceed. Next, look for an option labeled Turn on Price Rules. This is the feature we're here to activate. You'll notice a small switch next to this option. Simply click the switch to turn it on. After you've done that, take a moment to confirm that the switch is indeed turned on. You'll know it's activated when the switch changes its appearance, usually by turning a different color or moving to the on position. Once confirmed, the Price Rules feature is now active and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Price Rules in QuickBooks Online. This feature is now ready to help you manage and customize your pricing strategies efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.